I'm from American family. Do you like to play? Yes. Do you know vegetables and fruits? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I have a bag. I have a bag with vegetables and fruits. You must name it and put it on the blackboard. Назвати і швиденько повісити. Let's begin. What is it?
This is a tomato.
Please.
This is a bee.
Okay. What is this?
This is a lamb.
This is a lemon. What is this?
This is an apple.
Okay, this is an apple. What is this? This is cherry. Okay. What is this? Banana. Okay, banana. Take it. What is this? This is it goes. Corn. This is a corn. Okay. What is this? Bear. This is a bear. This is a bear. What is this? This is a backpack. Okay. What do you have? Quickly, today. Okay, excellent. What do you have? Quickly. This is a potato. What do you have? Cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, cabbage. Carrot. You may put it on the blackboard. Garlic. Garlic. Okay. And now, children, attention please. Ви знаєте, що я вмію чеклувати? Знаєте? Зараз я ці овочі зачеклую. І вони перетворяться у животі. Children, let's see. What animals live on the farm and what animals live in the forest? This is a farm. Veronica, who is this?
This is a cow.
What does the cow say? Yes, you're right. Milana, who is this?
This is a rooster.
Do you know what does the rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes, you are right. Anuta, who is this? This is a sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba. 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 Yes. Great. Dasha, do you know who is this? This is
Horse.
horse. What does the horse say? Як говорить? Підказуй. What? Nay. Yes, you are right. Great. Uliana, who is this?
This is a cat.
What does the cat say?
Meow.
Meow, meow, meow. Polina, who is this? This is this is a goat. Be attentive. This is a goat. What does a goat say? Meh, meh. Let's do you know who is this?
Dog.
This is a dog. Great, excellent. Do you know what does the dog say? Quack, 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 quack. Help me, please. Quack, quack, quack. Look at the wild animals. This is a monkey. Monkey likes to jump in the jungle. Let's jump, let's jump. to the jungle. Who is this, children? Do you know? This is... What does the hippo eat? Hippo eats an apple. Hippo eats an apple. Who is this? This is a... What does the giraffe eat? Giraffe eats a banana. Banana, great. Who is this, do you know? This is hare. What does the hare eat? Hare eats a carrot. Let's count our carrots. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 3 carrots. Oh, look here. This is a table. Do you know what does the animal like to eat? What does the hippo like to eat? Hippo likes an apple. Giraffe likes a banana. What does the hare like? Hare likes a